Run farther, faster, and actually enjoy it. Here's your 85-second guide. Tip 1. Warm up 3 to 5 minutes with a brisk walk. Add dynamic drills, leg swings, A-skips, and high knees. Tip 2. Cadence, steps per minute. Aim for 170 to 180 by shortening your stride. Tip 3. Breathe 3.2 at easy pace, 2.2 at moderate. Go nasal when you can. Tip 4. Run tall with a slight forward lean. Eyes 20 meters ahead and land softly under your hips. Tip 5. Arms at about 90 degrees, drive back, relax hands, don't cross midline. Tip 6. Keep most miles conversational, then finish the last 20 to 30 seconds strong. Tip 7. Follow the 10% weekly rule. Beginners, start run walk at 1-to-1, then move to 2-to-1 as you adapt. Tip 8. Intervals. 30 seconds fast, 60 seconds easy, 4 to 6 reps. Tip 9. Strength twice weekly, calves, glutes, and core. Add 5 minutes of hip and ankle mobility. Tip 10. Recover well. Sleep, hydrate, and keep easy days truly easy. Post-run, refuel with carbs and protein within an hour. Tip 11. Wear comfortable daily trainers and replace them every 500 to 700 kilometers. Tip 12. Be visible, reflective gear, well-lit routes, and carry ID. In heat, add electrolytes and sip regularly. Set a mini goal, like your first 5K, track your progress, and celebrate small wins. You've got this. Steady steps, smart training, joyful miles. Follow for weekly running tips. Drop your goal below. I'm cheering for you.